Hey everybody, Jim Perry from Reach Stewartville here. I thought I'd take a couple minutes to show you around the Reach room here in Stewartville, as the teachers at our middle school and high school today are here planning for our return to in-person learning. So up till now we've had students on maroon and gold days, so we see half of our students on the maroon days and the other half on gold days, but over the next week and a half or so, we'll be transitioning to seeing most students in person every day, which we are very, very excited about. So as we're planning and making more room for students, I thought I'd take a couple of minutes and give you a quick tour of what the Reach room is looking like. So this is our classroom space. I'm fortunate to have several different spaces available to us. This is a smaller space where smaller groups can work, or if a student needs a quiet place to work on their own. Our binders where we record our current grades and our goals for the week, and a lot of the school supplies that I have to give away are in this room as well. I have more than everything needed for any student that could possibly need supplies. These are available to any student at our middle school or high school, independent of what their needs might be. And again, very fortunate to have that ability to be able to help those out. So this is my office. I've got t-shirts ready to go to give away in the coming week. And then this would be where, if I need to have a private conversation with a student or a staff member or a parent or community member, I'm fortunate to be able to do that in here. This is our storeroom. Again, a quiet space where if a student or maybe two need a quiet place to sit and relax or get to some work. I have a wide collection of items to give away here to any student again who might need them. Backpacks, winter clothing, snow pants, hats, gloves, mittens, socks, pants, shirts, shoes, and then some household essential items and groceries, toothpaste, toothbrushes, feminine hygiene products, winter coats, and more shoes. So then back out into the main classroom again. This has been a great space for us. At times it might seem a little bit small, but with 1, 2, 3, 4 separate rooms, it really has worked out well. So along with the other teachers here at the middle school and high school, I'm very excited to have my students returning to me for in-person learning. REACH stands for relationships, education, accountability, character, and hard work. And of course, that all begins with relationships. And I'm looking forward to spending more time in person with those I am blessed and fortunate to be able to serve. Thanks for joining me today. Hope to see you soon.